Hey, I'm Graham, and this is my Buildspace Week 2 update for Privacy TLDR, which is a software platform that generates summaries of privacy policies so that people like you and me can actually understand them. This is the landing page. So obviously nobody reads privacy policies. We just blindly agree because who actually reads that stuff? And these are all the features that's in it. So we have breakdowns to clearly understand the policies, a catalog of a lot of policies on the web, hopefully all of them. You'll be able to compare them across versions side by side and draw insights out of them using AI and other text sentiment approaches. We'll also generate opt-out guides that help you opt out of data tracking from these services. And you can get notifications of when services update or when meaningful legislation is being passed in the data privacy space. And this is the pricing, but it's just on a wait list right now. So this I built, I guess, on the weekend between season one or week 1 and week 2. So that was about a week ago. And I've also built a dashboard where you can view services, and this is where the summaries will be. But right now I have the documents. I guess I'll go in the local version so it's updated. So you can see all these documents. Some are processed in the system and others are not processed in the system. And if I click start, it would begin to process it. But what I'm really counting is my tool, or my toy, excuse me, is this Jupyter notebook that I created that extracts personal information out of the privacy policy documents. So on the whole architecture that I have on the web, I'm going to apply this approach to now get information out of the documents that I've ingested into the system. So you can see that we just load up Supabase because that's what I'm using in the background. Sign in here, and then we'll create our function to create a query or an embedding from a query. And this is the similarity search using the negative dot product comparison. Send in a service name and a query about, this says exactly what personally identifiable information is collected by the service name, and then we throw it into our RAG function, which will get us similar documents based on those, on the policies or what I have in the system. And then we load up these two prompts. So we have a system prompt, which basically tells it to extract personal information in an output in JSON, and then there's a user prompt that just is a bit of formatting. If we go back here, so here we load up the prompts, and then we create our context. So from our RAG query above, we're looping over our results from the RAG database and creating some context chunks, and these are the context chunks. And then we're sending that to GPT and doing a bit of formatting, and you can see that we've identified that this document this document collects this information about you when you sign up for it or when you use the service. So see IP address is in there. This is Netflix, so some Netflix specific stuff. And yeah, this is my toy, and this is the approach that I'm going to take to add on to this page, so that down here there's an actual full summary of what information is collected about you, how the information is used, and how to opt out, and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, so that if you want to check, if you want to check this out, you can go to privacytldr.com and you can sign up for the wait list right here, and I'll send you an email when it's ready. Thanks for watching.